In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide recent activity on your Vimeo profile. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to make sure you're logged in to your Vimeo account. So, go ahead and open up Vimeo in your web browser or through the app on your device. If you don't have an account yet, it's quite easy to sign up. Just hit that sign up button and follow the prompts, but for now, let's assume you've got a profile set up already and you're ready to go. Once you're logged in, you'll notice your profile picture, which is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on that little icon. It's like your home base for all your account settings. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you will want to choose Settings. This option will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your Vimeo account. Now that you're in the settings, on the left side of the screen, you'll see several tabs. Look for the one that says Profile and click it. This will take you to a new set of settings related specifically to your profile. Next up, you'll want to focus on the General section. In this section, you'll find different customization options for your profile. Scrolling down a bit, you will eventually come across the Visibility settings. This is the crucial part if you want to hide your recent activity from others. Under the Visibility settings, you will see an option that says Allow others to see your profile. Now this is where the magic happens. You'll want to turn off this setting. Just slide the toggle switch or click the option to disable it. What this does is effectively make your public Vimeo profile invisible to others. So any activity that you've been doing, including any recent uploads or interactions, will no longer show up for the public or other users. Just a quick reminder, while this setting will hide your profile from the broader audience, it does not delete your videos or content. If you still want to share your work, but don't want your profile to be public, you can keep your videos set to private or change individual video visibility settings. Once you've toggled that visibility setting off, give yourself a pat on the back. You've successfully hidden your recent activity and preserved your privacy on Vimeo. If you ever decide to change it back and let others see your profile again, you can easily return to these settings and toggle it back on anytime you like. That's about it for this tutorial. Hiding your Vimeo activity is a straightforward process and can really help maintain your desired level of privacy when you're sharing content online. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips and tricks like this one. Thank you for tuning in.